Hello, you are welcome to solve for x in this nice exponential equation. Here, from what we are given, which is x over 5 raised to power x equals to 5 raised to power 5, then raised to power 2. From here, applying the law of indices, when we have a over b raised to power n. Here, same thing as a raised to power n over b raised to power n. So that here we can have it as x raised to power x over 5 raised to power x, then equals to 5 raised to power 5, then square. Then from here, we can remove this 5 raised to power x by multiplying both sides with 5 raised to power x. Then multiply this side by 5 raised to power x. 5 raised to power x will cancel out here. Then we have x raised to power x left here, which is equals to, on this side we apply the law of indices when we have a raised to power n and a raised to power n. And this is same thing as a raised to power n plus n. So same thing here, this will become 5 raised to power 5 square, then plus x now. Then next step, let's take the log on both sides, so that here, take the log to base 5 on both sides. So we have log x raised to power x to base 5. Then equals to, here we have log 5 raised to power 5 square plus x to base 5. Then here we have the power here as x, the power here as 5 square plus x. So from the power law of logarithm, when we have log a to power b, this same thing as b log a. So applying this a now, this gives us x log x base 5, then which is equals to, here, this gives us 5 square plus x, then log 5 to base 5. And we should recall that log a base a, same thing as 1. So log 5 base 5 is 1. And this is simply written as x log x over base 5 rather is equals to now 5 square plus x. Now let's remove this x on this side and divide both sides by x. So divide this side by x and x cancel out here. So we have log x base 5 now equals to, here, let's separate this and we write it as 5 square over x plus x over x. So that x over x here gives us 1. And this can now be written as log x to base 5 equals to 5 square over x, then plus 1. Then from here, let's represent x as 5y. Let x be equals to 5y here. Then we can write this now and say this is log 5y base 5 equals to 5 square over 5y, then plus 1. Then from here, we can apply the law of logarithm when we have log AB. So this is simply log A plus log B. So we can separate it into sum of two log. That means here we have log 5 to base 5, then plus log y to base 5, then equals to, here, 1 5 will cancel one of these 5. Then we have 5 over y plus 1 on this side. Then recall that log 5 is 5 here is 1. So we have 1 plus log y base 5 now equals to 5 over y plus 1. Now we can subtract 1 from both sides, and this one will go from here. Then what we have left here becomes log y to base 5 now equals to 5 over y. Now let's multiply both sides by y, and we remove this y here so that this y cancel out, and what we have now is y log y base 5 equals to 5. Now reverse the power law. When we have b log a, we can write it as log a raised to power b, and here this now becomes log y raised to power y to base 5 then equals to 5. Then from here, recall that when we have log x to base a equals to n, this implies that x is now equals to a raised to power n. That means here we can change this as y raised to power y now equals to 5 raised to power 5. And easily from here we have y now equals to 5. Now since y equals to 5, we can recall that we represented x rather as 5y here, so that x now will give us 5y. So we now have x, since x equals to 5y, so you can say x equals to 5 times 5, which gives us x equals to 25. So thus, the value of x to this given problem is x equals to 25. And we have x equals to 25 here to this given problem. Then we can also check if this is actually the solution here. Very quickly, when we put 25 for x here, this gives us 25 over 5, then raised to power 25. With this equals to 5 raised to power 5 square. Then here, 25 over 5 is 5. That's 5 raised to power 25. Is equals to 5 raised to power 5 square. Then, of course, 25 is 5 square, so we can say 5 raised to power 5 square, because 5 square here is 25, is equals to 5 raised to power 5 square. So the left hand side equals to right hand side. And hence, s equals to 25 satisfies this given problem. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, share this video. See you next class, and bye for now.